Two projectiles propelled by fiery explosions hurtle through the air, a 1 in a billion chance. Destiny woven into the fabric of physics, their paths converge. The bullets spinning furiously carry the kinetic energy of their violent birth. Time seems to slow down, each millisecond stretching into an eternity. The air crackles with anticipation. A blinding flash, a deafening roar. The bullets meet not with a clang but an explosion. Lead and copper vaporize on impact. A shockwave bursts outward, a visible ripple in the air. It is the echo of an unstoppable force meeting an immovable object. The very air seems to scream. For a fraction of a second, time stops. We see the mangled bullets frozen in their death throes. Rifling marks, once precise, are now twisted and deformed. Molten lead splatters outward, each droplet a miniature comet. The air is thick with the metallic tang of lead and gunpowder. It is a scene of chaotic beauty. The light fades, the sound disappears. The bullets, now mere fragments, fall to the earth, spent and forgotten. What remains is the silence, heavy with the weight of the event. A chance encounter, a fleeting moment of violence, frozen in time.